To enable professional mode on Instagram, begin by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom of the screen to navigate to your profile. Once there, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down to locate the For Professionals section and select Account Type and Tools. From here, at the top of the screen, choose Switch to Professional Account. Next, you will be prompted to review information about professional mode. Read through the details and tap Next. Select the category that best describes what you do. For instance, if you are a digital creator, you can choose that category. You can also decide whether or not to display this information on your profile by toggling the Display on Profile option on or off. Once you've made your selection, tap Switch to Professional Account. You will then be asked to configure your account type. If you're a creator, you can choose that option. Or if you're a business, you can select the business account type to include details such as a phone number or address. After making your selection, for example, creator, proceed by tapping Next. You may also have the option to opt out of promotional emails at this step. Finally, you can explore the various setup options for your new professional account or simply exit by tapping the X at the top of the screen. Your account is now switched to professional mode. You can access the professional dashboard to view analytics and insights about your account activity. And that's it. You've successfully enabled professional mode on Instagram.